Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how Facebook gives money for Reels. Facebook provides several avenues for creators to earn income directly from their short-form video content. These opportunities are designed to reward engaging and high-quality Reels, encouraging creators to build vibrant communities on the platform. We'll explore the primary methods Facebook uses to compensate creators for their efforts. One of the main ways to earn is through ads on Reels. These are short advertisements like banners or stickers that appear directly on your video content. When these ads are displayed, you receive a portion of the generated ad revenue. To qualify, creators typically need to meet certain criteria, including having a professional mode profile or a page and adhering to Facebook's monetization policies. 1, 2, 6. Facebook also offers performance-based bonuses to creators whose Reels achieve significant viewership and engagement. These programs are designed to incentivize high-quality content that resonates with audiences. While some bonus programs have evolved, the principle remains: the more your Reels perform, the greater your potential to earn through these direct incentives from Facebook. 2, 7, 17. Another direct way to earn is through Facebook Stars. Your audience can purchase virtual stars and send them to you while watching your Reels, live streams, or videos. For every star received, Facebook pays the creator 1 cent. This feature allows your most dedicated fans to directly support your content, fostering a stronger connection and providing a consistent income stream. 3, 4, 8, 19.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.